Hello and welcome to Storyboard. I'm Shibani Gharat. Just ahead of Diwali, we caught up with Amit Doshi, Chief Marketing Officer, Britannia Industries, about their expectations from the festive season. How is decline in the monthly purchase incidence for essential categories in the rural market impacting their business? And Britannia's marketing plans, and what are the key focus areas for the companies in the coming months? Listen in.
So, Amit, we are meeting, in the thick of the festive season. What were your expectation or Britannia's expectations from the festive season, and how much have been met so far?
We're all keeping fingers crossed that it's going to bounce back after 2 years of subdued consumer sentiment, and we're really looking forward to it. For us, the festive season has many components. One is, of course, as consumers spend a lot more time outside of their homes, it definitely has a positive impact on consumption. Along with that, we also have a gifting business where we have packs of Britannia Shubhkamnaएं, which are our assorted packs, which go out into the market. So that's an additional opportunity, consumer opportunity, that we try and service in this period.
Many experts have pointed out how during uncertain times, consumers are more drawn towards established brands, and you have several of those, including Good Day, including NutriChoice, including your Marigold. What is the kind of activity do we expect on these brands?
I'll just give you a few instances that we managed in the last few months. Now, if you look at Good Day has always stood for optimism, stood for happiness, stood for real everyday joys of life, and we're really doubling down on that at this point in time. So what we've chosen on Good Day to do is to celebrate the small moments of happiness, and the latest campaign of Good Day really doubles down on that and creates these real micro moments and celebrates them. And we've also therefore experimented with the format. We've actually have had a bunch of 15-second ads, much like consumers today consume content, but for mainstream television. So that's been the story on Good Day. On Marigold, I think the story's really been about assuring the consumers that they've always made the right choice. We've stood for getting women to be more and do more across the length and breadth of the country. We've got an extremely successful activation program called a Startup Challenge with Marigold, and we're actually entering the 4th edition of that Startup Challenge. We're very, very excited about what we have planned out for this edition. In addition to that, on a lot of other brands, there has been a lot of excitement on account of innovation. So, for example, we launched Potazos, which is a potato-based cracker. We recently launched Biscafe, which we've propositioned as the perfect accompaniment to coffee. We've launched a few products under the NutriChoice umbrella. NutriChoice seeds and herbs to bring the power of superfoods in snack products, and NutriChoice protein to meet the growing demand of protein nutrition in the country.
Any more innovations coming up in the next few months, or entering further new categories, Amit?
There's a lot of stuff that's happened, not just for us in the recent past in biscuits, but also in allied food products like croissants, dairy products, the Winking Cow, milkshakes. Some of them have seen good success. So that's one part of the innovation story, Shibani. The other part of the innovation story is really bringing in greater innovation into marketing. And that's where, I would say the Britannia team's done a phenomenal job over the last 6 months to build completely new experiences for consumers. So, for example, we spoke about Biscafe. Now, that's our first digital first brand. And we've been able to do a lot of exciting stuff around its launch, right? From tapping into influencers, tapping into new age content, tapping into precision marketing using data and technology. And that's just going to be, I would say, the snippet of more things to come. At Britannia.
There has been a decline in the monthly purchase incidence for essential categories in the rural market. Amit, how is it impacting your business and, more importantly, your marketing plans?
No, that's a good question. I think as far as the rural markets are concerned, it's still not very clear which way they're going to go. And most marketeers, including us at Britannia, are optimistic and confident that the second half of the financial year will see an uptake in rural. The signs are all right, whether you look at the rains or the improvement in the economy, and it needs to really translate into consumption. As far as our plans go, we're very focused on the things that we want to do. There are a few brands that have a big role to play in rural, and our plans, and we like to keep it very simple. We will continue to build our rural infrastructure, get into more villages as far as pop strata coverage is concerned. We make sure that we have the right marketing mixes and products and SKUs going into these markets. And the whole thing around, if you look at rural marketing as a whole, a lot of it is about micro marketing. There is no one size fits all approach. And at any point in time, we've got several initiatives going on, especially I would say in the Hindi heartland, where we're doing a lot of work on the back of milk bikis and the proposition of Doodh Roti Ki Shakti.
All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Shivani, and all the best to everyone at your end for the festive season.
It is time for a short break. On the other side, we